Have you ever wondered which ETF will actually pay you more when you retire? Not just on paper. Not just in total returns. But real, spendable income, the kind you can live on. Today, we're breaking down two very different strategies: SCHD, the classic dividend powerhouse, QQQI, the newer income-focused tech strategy. And by the end of this video, you'll know which one could put more money in your pocket during retirement, and which one might quietly fall short. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us, and remember to comment and share. Let's get into it. What these ETFs actually do. Before comparing numbers, we need to understand how these ETFs work. SCHD, the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF, is built around high-quality US companies, strong balance sheets, consistent dividend growth. Think companies like Pepsi, Coca-Cola, and Cisco. The goal? Reliable income that grows over time. Now, QQQI is a very different beast. It's based on the Nasdaq 100 but uses covered call strategies to generate income. In simple terms, it owns tech-heavy stocks, it sells options on them, it converts growth into immediate cash flow, so instead of waiting for dividends to grow, it tries to pay you more right now. Yield versus growth, the core trade-off. Here's where things get interesting. SCHD typically has a yield around 3 to 4% but strong dividend growth over time. QQQI, on the other hand, can yield significantly higher, often 6 to 10% plus, but with less long-term growth potential. So the real question becomes, do you want lower income today, but growing income tomorrow? Or higher income today, but potentially stagnant income later? This is the core trade-off, and it matters a lot in retirement. Retirement scenario breakdown. Let's put this into a real-world scenario. Imagine you have $1 million invested. With SCHD, you might start with $35,000 per year, but that income could grow steadily over time. In 10 to 15 years, you could be earning much more with QQQI. You might start with $70,000 plus per year. That's immediately livable income, but it may not grow much, or at all so early in retirement. QQQI looks incredibly attractive. But over time, SCHD may catch up, and possibly surpass it. The hidden risk most people ignore. Here's something many investors overlook. Covered call ETFs like QQQI cap your upside. When markets go up strongly, SCHD fully participates. QQQI gives up part of those gains for income. That means less capital appreciation, less compounding over decades, and in retirement, that matters more than you think. Because your portfolio isn't just income, it's also your safety net. Volatility and stability. Let's talk about stability. SCHD holds established companies, generally less volatile. Dividends tend to be consistent. QQQI, tied heavily to tech, income depends on options. Markets can fluctuate more than expected in a downturn, both will drop, but differently. SCHD may drop in price but maintain or slowly grow dividends. QQQI may maintain high income but see limited recovery upside. Taxes matter more than you think. Another big factor, taxes. SCHD dividends are often Qualified dividends taxed at lower rates. QQQI income often includes option premiums may be taxed as ordinary income, so even if QQQI pays more, you might keep less. And in retirement, net income is what actually matters. Which one pays more? So, which ETF actually pays you more in retirement? The honest answer is, it depends on your timeline and goals. If you want immediate high income, less concern about long-term growth, then QQQI may pay you more right now. But if you want income that grows over time, protection against inflation, long-term compounding, then SCHD may pay you more over the long run. The smarter approach, hybrid strategy. Here's where things get interesting. You don't actually have to choose just one. Many retirees use a hybrid strategy, SCHD for long-term growth and rising income, QQQI for immediate cash flow. This way, you get income today and growth for tomorrow. It's not about picking a winner, it's about building a system. So, SCHD versus QQQI, who wins? QQQI wins on immediate income, SCHD wins on long-term growth and sustainability. The best choice depends on where you are in your retirement journey. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, because we break down investing strategies in a way that actually makes sense. And if you want, I can show you exactly how to combine these ETFs into a retirement portfolio that pays you monthly income. This content is for informational and educational purposes only and should not be considered financial, investment, or tax advice. Investing involves risk, including the potential loss of principal. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Always conduct your own research and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. If you enjoyed it, thank you for watching. Your support helps us grow and continue creating engaging content just for you. Keep exploring with us, and until next time, stay curious and keep learning. Don't forget to join our community for more exciting adventures ahead.